In today's video, as you can see, I'm going to do a video on my Honda City. So I've said that I'm going to install the interior lighting for this car. So in today's video, I'm going to install the interior lighting for this car. The interior lighting, RGB lighting, interior lighting. Just stick the place that you want to stick for the light, and plug in, and then just plug in to this and open the light, and that's it. I'll show you guys how to install later. And I'm also going to stick the sticker here, and also the racing team sticker here. And I'm going to do another custom on this car very soon, which is I'm going to change the exhaust for this car. So please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the bell so that you won't miss any of my video. So I'm going to change the exhaust very soon. I will deliver the exhaust, and then when it's arrived, I will do another video, and also do another video when I'm installing and customize it. So now I'm using the Jasma bullet. Now the HKS Jasma bullet, and maybe I'm going to buy another RS racing exhaust, JS racing exhaust for the Honda with bend tips, and I hope that the car will be sounding very nice and louder than now. So please make sure you guys turn on the bell and subscribe to my channel. So now let's install the interior lighting first, and also sticking the sticker for the car. So now my dad is going to reverse the car a bit, and this is the cool start in the Honda City. So this is the Jasma bullet sound. So now my dad is going to reverse the car a bit. The sound is pretty nice too, but I feel that it is not enough loud, and so that I'm going to change another muffler for another sound. So now I'm going to stick the sticker first. So I'm going to stick the racing team sticker here. And now I'm going to stick this sticker here. So this is it. But it is a little bit too much sticker here, too many sticker here. So now let's start to install the interior lighting. Now we have to just stick the place that you want to stick for the light, and then just plug and play. So this is the on off button for the interior lighting, and the other light I have put them through the hole to the right side. and the long one is for the rear lightning, and the short one is for the front lightning. And this is the left side, the interior lightning for the left side. So now let's stick at the place that you want to stick for the light. So I've stick the interior light here, and the driver side. I stick it here. So it's very easy to stick and install. It is only hard to hide the wire of the light. So I have hide the interior lightning, the rear interior lightning wires here in this plastic to the back seat. So now I'm going to stick the interior lightning at the back seat, and there is no place to stick the interior lightning here, so I stick it there. And also just the same place, because there is no way to stick it here. It is cotton here. Cotton here. You must stick the light at the plastic. And before you stick at the plastic, you should use some multi-purpose cleaner to clean out the plastic, to remove the silicone. And now I'm going to stick the sensor here for the remote to change the color and on off, and also the light up and down. So now let's stick it there. And here's the sensor for the remote control. And this is it. All are looking good, and also the rear is looking good. So now let's test for the light. So now I'm going to wait for the night time to shoot for you guys in this car. So now let's wait until the sky is a little bit of dark. So now let's wait.
Still checking if the place still cold. Moving in a way, no place, no snow. Straight chilling with my niggas that shiver. Thinking about South Lake, thoughts on the river. Move back, nigga, move back, nigga. Fake Jordan, that's whack ass bitch, nigga. I come pack with 11 damn shots. I claim this city and I take your spot. Stay thinking about a white one, thinking about a bright sun that I changed straight from the dark shit. No tape when I'm playing with the black gun, nigga. You ain't never been a god since the last run. No stats in the place that show. A lot of niggas tell me that I never really own. Track to the place, back, nigga. Tell me that I'm like a nigga, but my flow sicker. Call me, call me, call me. I'm calling, call me, call me.
Honda video for today. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And remember that I will change my exhaust very soon, so that you guys must subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell for my latest video. And thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.